Do you hate unboxing videos where it takes 10 minutes to get into the box because the person just keeps on talking? That's not this one. Today we're going to be unboxing the Bauer 22-inch scroll saw. I got this from Harbor Freight. I traded in my old 16-inch to get this one, a little upgrade, because I realized the value in having something bigger. It's going to make work a lot easier. Yeah, I can't wait to show them either. It's going to be great. I mean, the color's red. That's my favorite. Why don't we cut it open? Woo! Whoa, 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 whoa. This is a one-man unboxing. Thank you. Myself. Now that that guy's out of here, let's go ahead and cut it open. Anybody's asking, this is a little Kershaw 1987 blade. Alright, so off the bat, I got a bag of bolts, handles, a couple of blades, Allen wrenches, owner's manual, safety manual, more styrofoam. Boop, boop. This thing is a beast. Alright, I'm going to put this on the floor real quick so I can set it on the table when I pull it out. She is hefty. I'll face it towards you guys. Looks pretty good. That's everything that's in the box. Pretty straightforward. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's heavy. That's a lot heavier than the Central Machinery one that I got at 16-inch. I mean, this thing is, whew, I don't know how much that weighs. It's got to be heavy, you know. We'll do a quick walk through here. So we got the blade here. It's got to be tightened, but the chuck, this one takes pinless, no pins on the blade. Go under there. Go under there. This allows you to turn the blade angle instead of the table angle. So this one, the blade actually tilts and not the table, making that a lot easier. You got your hose that blows air, so you can blow your dust out of your way. Speed knob, power knob, long arm. So this one is 22 inches from throat to blade. It's got 8 inches in front. Tension knob. I mean, this thing's pretty solid. Last thing I'm going to show that I like about this is, so the pin end blades on that last one, you had to fish through the bottom. This one comes up through the top, and you can actually lift this arm up and it stays there. So now I can put my wood over the top, slide it through my little pilot hole, set this bad boy down, and get to work. Way easier. So let me know what you think of the unboxing. Any of you people looking for a scroll saw? I think, I mean, I used that 16-inch Central Machinery one for a little bit, a couple of weeks, and I realized that something bigger like this is the way to go with all the different features and plain end or pinless blades.